Hello everyone, this is Alan Scorpio. In this video, we will go through chapter 1 of the ebook, From Western to Chinese Astrology. This is the content of our discussion. Some critical elements include Wu Xin, the merged presentation of the 12th house, the briefing about the fighting star concept, and finally the perspective of using mathematics in analyze the prenatal chilogram, which in the book is explained as the lateral chilogram. One of the most controversial definition on the heavenly stems Wu Xin is shown as the two figures. Sometimes the heavenly stem is harmonic, which can merge into to form one element. While it doesn't follow the properties of early branches to have conflicts of the intra-relationship. This provides ideas which the position of heavenly stem is in alternative form than one absolute state. Chinese astrology have 12 places which suit the purpose of the 12th house as Western astrology. However, they usually present in square than circular. Further to the 12th places, the square presentation is in Chinese astrology, which have another family form in the 8 directions of prenatal and postnatal chilogram presentation. When we use the concept of Western astrology with the axes, two less significant houses, the red one, are merged to form new one, become this, and becomes 8. Actually, the merged house presentation way is not unique in Chinese astrology. In the figure, we can see Vedic astrology presentation about the 12 houses. The 1, 4, 7, 10 houses are at the axis, which has double the area size than other houses. In 奇门遁甲 of Chinese astrology, the 12 early branches are merged into 8 doors in the spiritual spaces, which you can see from left about Buddhism astrology. The Buddha are substituted with the respective door. This is the Buddha, this is the doors. Furthermore, if you look at the Hetu of ancient Chinese literature, the notes which represent the numbering are all located in the axis. The axis location, the lobes are all distributed over them. For Wu Xin, the general interactions, it is easy to just follow the 10 heaven stem natures arrangement. We would like to provide alternative insight so that Wu Xin can be generated from the 4 elements from Western astrology. If we arrange the 12 zodiac sign, which contains 4 elements in the merged house presentation, and use the Taoist fighting star technique to get the ordering, then the Wu Xin half order is formed. If the previous page is not enough to pursue you to agree a close relationship between 4 elements in Western astrology and the Wu Xin in Chinese astrology, let's take a look at chilogram from Yi Ji. Okay, tell me why the 4 elements, which are the exact within the chilogram, but there is no metal, no wood within the chilogram about Wu Xin. The 3 cosmos board of Chinese astrology are referencing and relate to each other. The very fundamental concept about Wu Xin is not possible for not referencing in the chilogram. Besides, some Chinese astrology concepts are claimed to be supported by philosophy, but they are conflicting within each other. We will try to use Shu's perspective, which is the use of mathematical ways to reveal the foundation of chilogram. We can disassemble the chilogram into binary system. The lower one is 2 to the power 0, the middle one is 2 to the power 1, and finally the top level is 2 to the power 2. When we are counting Yang as 1, Yin as 0, the egg size are calculated separately. Then the result is as left. And once we try to rearrange the long axial houses, so the chinogram forms an outward, sharp merged house presentation patterns. The numbers are rearranged in the Tai Chi form. From this to this, from this ascending to this. You may find another logic for Shu Shu, which is popular in Chinese astrology by calculating Yin as 1, but the binary system will work a little bit different. The top level becomes 2 to the power 0, middle one becomes 2 to the power 1, and the inner one is 2 to the power 2. We then do the calculation and give out these results. In philosophy perspective, Chinese philosophy try to explain prenatal chinogram as going inwards and postnatal chinogram as going outwards. However, if we look at the Book of Change Yi Qi, we usually have 6 of them, and the starting order is usually from bottom to top, which if you are counting Yang as 1, it is more favorable case than counting Yin, because they follow the same manner, which in the sense of direction of Shu Shu, prenatal chinogram should going outwards. This is the end of the chapter 1. Let's see you at chapter 2. Bye bye.